Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay, and we are back in our kitchen because today we have a very healthy and yummy strawberry pie recipe for you.
So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned.
Welcome everybody to the Wellness Connection, and I'm really excited because this is an awesome recipe that I put together not too long ago that we modified in order to make it healthier for you and your family.
Yeah, and there's some great modifications here. So I'm gonna let Michelle tell you about the first one. What did we do to substitute?
So there's three main areas that we substituted. The first one is the sugar. So we all know white sugar, bad, not healthy for you.
Good for you.
No, but we want the sweetness. So you could substitute with powdered stevia, erythritol, xylitol, monk fruit. There's a lot of different choices.
Yeah.
So second thing is
instead of using cornstarch, we used arrowroot. And I wanted to read for you from Soil to Supplement. This is one of my favorite little books here of just little nutrition gems, because to make this more healthier for you, I wanted to show you why that is.
And who was this written by?
This is written by Dr. Royal Lee, the founder of Standard Process. So he was talking about raw food calcium, and this is back in 1957. And he said this, he goes, calcium is the most important quantitative element in the body and participates in some manner in particularly all physiological actions in the body. Practically all of the vitamins are concerned with calcium metabolism, vitamin D, which is really a hot topic today, and vitamin F complex in particular, with their counterbalancing effects upon the blood calcium level. So listen to this about arrowroot. So this is one of those foods he was talking about. So arrowroot is the only starch with calcium ash. It is easily digested food, well suited for infants and convalescents or elderly. Arrowroot flour was once widely used in baby formulas as a superior carbohydrate, experience having shown it agreed with babies better than other starches or sugars. We now find the reason. The calcium chloride, the form of calcium found in arrowroot starch, is most important for the maintenance of proper acid and alkaline balance in the body, especially in humans. Arrowroot thrives only on tidal flats where the sea minerals are available. Its known health-building properties may be due to trace minerals from the sea, as well as calcium it gets from the seawater. It comes to you not as a refined product like cornstarch, but simply as the dried and powdered root. It is used in ice cream formulas in place of cornstarch. Arrowroot imparts a vanilla-like flavor and a smooth texture. When heated in water, which is what we did with it, in certain proportions, it becomes a jelly-like, and it's an excellent thickening agent for gravies, sauces, and pastries, which is what we used it for here, and it worked great.
Mm-hmm, exactly. So it's
It's very good for you because it helps with calcium. It's a very good, mineral that your body needs. That's the most abundant mineral in your body is calcium.
Right, so that's a good substitute that we did for the strawberry pie.
Mm-hmm.
And the third component that we substituted was the pie crust. So instead of using your typical wheat flour pie crust, we found a rice flour pie crust. So it's wheat-free and gluten-free. And it's going to be a little bit less carbs, which is really nice.
Yeah, so this is a really great pie, so I can't wait till you guys see what it looks like and watch how it tastes.
Oh yes, and the one other thing is it's very important is that we chose fresh organic strawberries from a local farmer.
Yeah.
So that's hugely important. It's one of the
key ingredients.
The key ingredients, and strawberries can be
highly pesticide, herbicide, fungicides. They spray them a lot. So that's like the number one top dirty food on the Dirty Dozen list for EWG. So you got to be careful with strawberries. So get some good locally grown organic strawberries. It doesn't have to say USDA organic on it. Most of your local growers don't do that, but they do a great job of growing them, and they always taste better.
Absolutely. So All right, so we're gonna get cooking and then we'll come back in a little bit and do a taste test.
See you then.
Okay. Taste test.
This is my favorite part, so let's see how they turn out.
Ooh, it's nice and thick and jelly.
Good flavor. Got really good flavor.
Oh, wow. Nothing better than fresh, juicy strawberries. Just a little bit of sweetness in there.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell down below so that you can catch all the new videos that are coming out each week from us. So boy, really good, really easy too to make this pie recipe.
Yeah, there's really not that many ingredients, so
No.
it's pretty quick, pretty easy. So I hope you give it a try. Let us know in the comments section below. And we're going to finish off this pie before our boys find out. So we'll see you next time on The Wellness Connection.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is really good.
I don't think the boys are getting any of this. Did you tell them where you got this? Oh, good.
Super light.
The crust is nice and moist too.
Okay, we can turn it off.
We could, but I have to drop my pie to go get it.
Yep.
So I don't want to. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay. Do it again because Tika was being noisy.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay. And I forgot, I was supposed to say something. Okay.
Do it again.
We didn't tell them that we're shooting.
Okay.
Quiet on the set.
Okay. Loud?
No, we're shooting right now.
We're just shooting right now.
Okay.